Okay, good day, guys. Good day to you all. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. For starters, I just want to say a happy new year to you all. This is the first video that I'm doing. I think this is the first video I'm doing since the start of the new year, right? And, I wish you guys good health, good strength, and success in all your respective endeavors. In the new year 2022, I hope that you guys have a very good 2022. So happy new year, guys, to you all and all the best. The channel received a lot of support in the year 2021, and trust me, man, you guys don't even know what it means, right? You guys don't even know what it means. So, the support in 2021 was much appreciated, and I'm going to do my best, right, to ensure that, we continue to put out good content that you guys will enjoy, and hope that you guys stick with us in 2022 as well. So, guys, and by the way, smash the like button as usual, right? And also subscribe to the channel. These are free and easy ways to support the channel. So, guys, we are in the month of January, so that means that this is transfer time, right? Whether players making moves or players being rumored to make moves. And we're going to talk quickly about two particular reggae boys in this video. We're going to talk about two respective reggae boys. The first one being Dillon Barnes. Now, guys, Dillon Barnes has made a transfer move to Yeovil Town. Hopefully, I got the pronunciation of the club right. I've known about the club for, obviously a long time, following the English league structure, but some of the names and the pronunciations is still, not so good. So, and this is according to the Yeovil Town Football Club website. So, guys, this is an official move. Barnes just played a game for them as well. So, this came out. It was when it missed a lot of us. It missed even me, right? It missed me, but we regularly check up on all the reggae boys, and realize that Dillon Barnes has made a move to Yeovil Town Football Club. This is in the English fifth tier. It's a bittersweet thing for me, because honestly, on the one hand, I want Dillon Barnes I wanted him to have made a move where he got game time, yes. But Yeovil Town is in the fifth tier in England. I was hoping that it would be a move to a club at a higher ranks, like the English third tier or even the English fourth tier, right? But he will get game time nonetheless, or hopefully he gets game time. You make a move like this to get game time. He wasn't getting game time at QPR, and the last time he made a loan move, he wasn't getting any game time either at Burton Albion in the English League One last season, right? Could count on his one and how many appearances he made for Burton Albion, right? But this is another loan move, another attempt to get game time. This is on the club's website, an official announcement. Yeovil Town are delighted to announce the signing of Dillon Barnes on a short-term loan deal from Queen's Park Rangers. The 25-year-old signs as the club have depleted numbers in the goalkeeper position due to Grant Smith's 2-match suspension. Arriving with Football League experience, Barnes has made 25 apps within the EFL in both League 1 and 2 for Burton Albion and Colchester United. Last season, he spent a short spell in the Scottish Premiership with Hibernian, where he made 8 appearances in all competitions. Earlier this year, Barnes made his full international debut for Jamaica, starting in a narrow 1-0 defeat to Costa Rica in the CONCACAF Gold Cup. That eldest still hurt me to this day. Trust me, man, you don't even know. Yet to play this season, Barnes will be hoping to hit the ground running with the loanee available for the matchday squad against Torquay United tomorrow after noon. Welcome to Somerset, Dillon. right? So that's it pertaining to Dillon Barnes. You know, Dillon is our second string goalkeeper. Some are even calling for him to be the first, you know, based on his ability where distribution is concerned. I have not seen Dillon Barnes play for club to this day. You know, he has made, yeah, I mean, he has played very little for club, right, in the last couple of seasons, very few times. But I have seen him play on 2 occasions for Jamaica, and I must say, it is surprising to me that this keeper is struggling to find a home that will facilitate him getting a good amount of game time. The keeper looks like a decent keeper to me. I mean, yes, it's a small window, just 2 games, but in those 2 games, I was mightily impressed, you know, with the quality of the keeper, right? Looked a decent goalkeeper to me in those 2 games. So, you know, again, I'm happy that the player is making a move that will get him game time. On the flip side, a little bit disappointed that it is that low down on the English league system. You know, I was hoping for a move to a club at a higher level, but at the very least, our second string goalkeeper will be getting game time, and that is very important for both his career and for both his club career and also his national team career. So, wishing Dillon Barnes all the best. Right, it's a loan move to Yeovil Town Football Club. Up next, want to talk about a reggae boy that many people are not the biggest fans of. Many people aren't the biggest fans of this particular reggae boy that I'm going to be talking about next, and that is a reggae boy by the name of Curtis Tilt, right? Curtis Tilt. So, all right. So, a bit of background for you guys who might not know. Curtis Tilt. By the way, I think that the treatment of Curtis Tilt has been a little bit unfair. The player has played a couple minutes combined across 2 games of the Reggae Boys, and all of us, you know, fans just want to, you know, shut the door on Curtis Tilt. We don't want to see any more of Curtis Tilt. I think it's a little bit unfair. I think the player needs more time with the Reggae Boys to prove himself, to prove if he's a good player or not, to prove if he can do a good job for the Reggae Boys. Just a couple minutes in the USA game and then another couple of minutes in the which game? In the Japan game, the Japan U24 game. I think it's very unfair to judge the player on that, right? But a bit of background, Curtis Tilt is currently signed to Rotherham in the English League One. A lot of people don't know that, right? He's actually signed to Rotherham. He is on loan at Wigan Athletic, right? Both clubs play in the same league. One club is in first position, and I think Wigan are in third. So Rotherham are leading the table in first place, and Wigan are third, if I'm not mistaken, 5 points behind. The thing about it is Wigan has a couple games in hand, right, because of some fixtures that were cancelled, right? So he is signed to the first place team. He's on loan at the third place team. Now, the thing about it is that Rotherham have the option to recall Curtis Tilt. So Rotherham can take him back to Rotherham this particular transfer window. In other words, if you can strengthen your team while also, you know, issuing a blow to the other team, another team that you are in competition to get promotion, you know, in the race for the promotion, then why not, right? So Rotherham can strengthen but also weaken one of their main competitors for the English League One title. That is the position that they currently find themselves in. But, however, the Rotherham boss, you know, is saying that his decision on the future of Curtis Tilt won't be clouded by wanting to quote unquote mess up Wigan Athletic. I read the article, right? Rotherham boss delivers Wigan Athletic transfer update. Rotherham boss Paul Warren says his imminent decision and the future of Curtis Tilt won't be clouded by wanting to, quote, mess up Wigan Athletic. The big centre-back is coming to the end of his third half-season loan spell with the Latics, who are understood to want to tie him up to a permanent contract. Rotherham are believed to be open to doing a deal, but the financial terms have to be right. Whatever happens though, Warren says the league table won't come into it. Right, so the Latics and Rotherham are both locked in the race for automatic promotion. From January 1, we can choose to do what we think is right for the club. And this is the manager for Rotherham being quoted. I know there would be some argument for bringing back a player who is doing really well at a promotion competitor of ours. I would never do that unless it was to the benefit of my club to have him here. People, if this isn't the biggest loader, what he's saying is that he wouldn't bring back CurtisTiltRotherham just to mess up Wigan. Right? This is a club that is in a heated title race with them, and they can weaken Wigan while strengthening themselves. I don't believe that. With one move, they could weaken Wigan and strengthen themselves. I wouldn't bring him back if there was no mention from me to play him here, or no intention rather. Let me read that again. I wouldn't bring him back if there was no intention from me to play him here. I don't see the point in bringing him back and paying his wages and never playing him just to mess up Wigan. I could mess up Wigan, but then I've got to try to somehow mess up Sunderland, Oxford, and everyone else near the top. A decision is expected sooner rather than later, with Liam Richardson on the lookout for several incomings during the month. I've spoken about it to the recruitment team today, and I spoke to the chairman about it yesterday. Warren told the Rotherham advertiser, I'll get the game out the way this weekend and then make my decision on whether we pull him back or not. So guys, that's the latest with Curtis Tilt. Will he make a move in this transfer window back to his parent club Rotherham? That is yet to be seen. You know, we'll continue to keep tabs on this and see what takes place with Curtis Tilt, right? I don't believe this. It makes perfect sense to want to. I mean, Wigan has a couple of games on Rotherham. If they win 2 out of those 3 games, right, they will leapfrog Rotherham. Why not want to weaken your title competitor while in the same sense strengthening your team? Even if you're not strengthening your team from a starting 11 perspective, you would definitely be strengthening your team from a squad depth perspective. So guys, that's it. Dillon Barnes on the move to Yeovil Town. Curtis Tilt, you know, a decision on his future is imminent. Again, guys, Happy New Year. Take safe, take care. Smash the like button, subscribe if you're new. Stay safe, guys.